Here we are. I've heard that there is a very special magic pet on this island.
Morphle, want to see?
Yeah, me too. Morphle, morph back into yourself so we can go into the jungle.
Ooh, I think I see it.
Let's go! Are you ready, Daddy? Daddy?
Daddy gone!
Uh-oh, let's go find him. Ah!
Monkey!
Maybe you can see Daddy from the trees. Morph into a monkey, Morphle.
Morphle now see Daddy. Scary!
Yeah, but when you're with me, I don't feel scared at all. Look, Morphle, that elephant's trunk is stuck underneath that tree.
Uh-oh.
Morphle, morph into an elephant as well, so you can lift up that tree.
Scary sound!
It is. I wonder where the sound comes from. Ooh, look over there, Morphle.
Pretty birdies!
Morphle, morph into a bird as well. Now fly up high and look if you can see Daddy.
Morphle now can see Daddy!
It sounded really close by, Morphle.
Yeah!
Oh, no! Mila! Morphle!
That's Daddy's voice. Let's go, Morphle.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Daddy now here?
No. Oh, look.
Is anyone there?
Hello, bird. So you were the one making that scary sound. That was great. Do you really think so? Yeah. You must be the magic pet Daddy told us.
Help!
Was that you? It wasn't me.
Real Daddy!
We need to help him.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Morph into a big dog.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and... Ah, you are the magic pet